Hey, are you currently unhappy with your Amazon sales growth that you're getting in your business? Are you wondering like what do you need to do to get that next level? Like you're probably looking at your Amazon listing, you're like, I don't know what else to tweak. I think it's good, but you can see that your competitors are beating your sales. Maybe they're two, three, four times as big as you. But that's what we do here at Turnkey Product Management. We help companies identify what they need to do in order to grow to that next level. It's different for every single business. And sometimes it just helps to have that outside set of eyes, take a look at it. We can't help everyone under the sun. And so that's why what we do is we just hop on a quick free call. It's totally free. We look at your business and we give you our honest assessment of here's what you need to do to get to that next level. If we think we can help you get there, we'll tell you how that works if we can help you do that. If so, that's awesome. But if not, we'll also tell you like, hey, that's not really our expertise, or I don't know how to get you to the next level. And that's okay. But you'll still walk away from that call with value and clarity, and we'll try to point you in the right direction if we can't help you there. So if you want to do that, we call it a breakthrough call. It's the first step in growing your business to that next level. Just click the link below. There should be some available times after you click that link to book a call at your convenience with us, and we'll give you that honest assessment of how to take you to that next level. So look forward to speaking with you very soon.